Welcome back to Tora Motors. Today, we invite you into our showroom for a complete, in-depth breakdown of a vehicle that represents the pinnacle of modern performance luxury, the 2027 BMW M9, presented here in a striking deep burgundy metallic finish that shifts and glows with every angle of natural light. Let us begin with the exterior. The front fascia immediately signals its M division pedigree, a wide, illuminated kidney grille flanked by precision-cut LED headlights, engineered not only for visibility but to command attention the instant this car enters a room. As we trace the character line back along the front fender, notice how the burgundy paint behaves under light. It doesn't simply reflect it, it absorbs and releases it, giving the surface an almost liquid depth that shifts from wine red to near black as the angle changes. The proportions here are deliberate and confident. A long, sculpted hood, a low and aggressive stance, and a roofline that tapers elegantly into a broad, muscular rear haunch. Around the back, the tail light clusters and integrated rear diffuser complete a silhouette that is every bit as commanding from behind as it is from the front. Now, let's take a closer look at the lighting architecture, because on a car like this, the lighting is as much a design statement as the bodywork itself. Watch the headlight signature ignite. A sharp, clean daytime running strip that snaps on with precision, no flicker, no delay. And at the rear, the tail light clusters respond in kind, glowing a deep, saturated red as both sides illuminate in perfect synchronization. A detail that gives this car genuine road presence, whether you're watching it arrive or watching it disappear into the distance. Moving down to the wheels, you'll find matte black forged alloys wrapped around burgundy painted brake calipers. A small but deliberate detail that ties the entire color narrative together, right down to the last component most buyers wouldn't think to check. Now, let's step inside, because this is where the M9 truly distinguishes itself. The cabin is wrapped in rich burgundy leather across the dashboard, seating, and door panels, finished with stitching precise enough to feel as much as to see. Ahead of the driver sits an M Sport steering wheel, paired with a fully digital instrument cluster and a center console that blends brushed metal trim with an intuitive, driver-focused infotainment layout. Move to the rear, and you'll find genuine legroom, a dedicated rear console, and climate vents built for rear passengers. Proof that this car was designed to be enjoyed by everyone inside it, not just the person behind the wheel. Above it all, a full panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural daylight, allowing that burgundy leather to glow with even greater richness and depth. Let's move to what lies beneath the hood. Popping it open reveals the true heart of the M9, a twin-turbocharged V8, wrapped in carbon fiber strut bracing and finished with genuine M performance detailing throughout. Every surface under this hood is finished to the same exacting standard as the interior, nothing hidden, nothing left unrefined, because this powertrain is treated as an extension of the car's design language, not simply a mechanical afterthought. Of course, specifications on paper only tell half the story. Out on the open road, the M9 comes alive in a way that numbers alone can't capture. That twin-turbo V8 delivers a surge of acceleration you feel in your chest before you even glance down at the speedometer. Whether it's carving along a coastal highway, launching down a straightaway, or bursting through a tunnel with that unmistakable exhaust node trailing behind it, this is a car engineered to be driven, not simply admired from a showroom floor. So, what does it take to bring the 2027 BMW M9 home? Here at Tora Motors, this exact configuration, finished in deep burgundy metallic paint, wrapped in full burgundy leather, and equipped with the complete M performance package, carries a price of $149,900, or approximately €138,500 at current exchange rates. It's a price that reflects not just performance, but the level of craftsmanship you've seen throughout this breakdown. From the paint, to the cabin, to the engineering beneath the hood. That's the 2027 BMW M9, a car where design, performance, and craftsmanship converge into one truly unforgettable package. Thank you for joining us here at Tora Motors. If you'd like to see this car in person, schedule a private viewing, or learn more about financing and available configurations, our team is ready to help. We'll see you in the next breakdown.